2017 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, premium sound system, universal garage door opener. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.